Glidel.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng nanonood ng
Kuya Boy, it was fine with me. Though. I wanted her to explore. I wanted her to be independent. Pero siyempre sa nanay, medyo...
Ang hirap.
Oo.
Every time aalis, nagkaka-anxiety ako, umiiyak talaga ako. Tapos mga ilang weeks bago ako makarecover na... Kasi mabuti nila may video call na tayo.
Tama.
Diba?
One day, she talked to me and said, Dad, I want to study abroad. I got a scholarship of 90%. Doon na, para bang, how could I say no? Diba? She went through it, she made a test, nag-exam siya, and she worked on it, and she got the 90% scholarship. So parang I was, alam mo na yun, yung cornered na ako na parang I couldn't say
The choice was to say yes.
Oo.
Kasi kami, kung halimbawa mayroong problema, kahit maliit lang, hindi na namin pinapalaki. Papag-uusapan agad namin.
Doon na.
Pag-usapan agad namin para hindi na yung, alam mo yun, kasi pag iniipon mo lang, iniipon yung sama ng loob mo or whatever, kahit na yung sama ng loob mo na wala namang katuturan, lalaki yun. So, bago lumaki, sasabihin ko na agad sa kanya, sasabihin niya agad sa akin, para kung ano yung mali ko, para alam ko, para hindi ko nagagawin ulit.
Sinong selos?
Wala.
Wala. Talaga. Let's say may umaaligid. Wala akong iniisip na ano eh.
Magselos ka naman!
Meron po siya na-trusted eh.
Selos ka naman!
Meron po
Para
siya
feeling
na-trusted.
beautiful ako, di ba?
Bakit ka naman lagi?
This is a natural question. So, paano at pinapapanatili ang init? Sino unang nangangalakay?
Ano?
Kuya Boy.
Ang tawa mo, napaka-iba.
Kaya nga pag sa taping dumarating ba, tumatawa ako. Anak ko, andyan na si guys. Kasi camping.
Teka lang, Gina, hindi
Don't
ko alam.
touch me!
I thought you were dead! Akala mo, namatay siya nang bago ka niya kilala. Hindi ko alam, baka multo siya!
Val na walang malay, Tonto na may malay.
Wala walang malay.
Pinaka-sexy si Glidel kapag
Pag natutulog,
pinaka-sweet si Glidel kapag
may kailangan.
best actress or best wife?
Best wife.
Sex is part of Tonton's body.
Wala.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagsilosang artista.
Not guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, pinagsilosan ang ex.
Guilty.
Is that lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
When we are all together.
You can say this to each other. Mahal kita kasi.
Mahal kita kasi.
Sa'yo, tumingo ko puso.
Oo, mahal kita kasi ikaw ang friend.
What makes you tick, Tito Boy?
Sobrang enjoy kami, tsaka talagang ang sarap kausap ni Kuya Boy.
Si Kuya Boy is such an iconic person, so talagang it's really an honor to be maging
Here,
guest,
yeah.
maging guest ni Tito Boy.
Kaya thank you so much for inviting us.
Thank you so much. Enjoyed it.
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the house. Click and subscribe now. You know.